how to add photo over video in CapCut. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CapCut application on your device and in your timeline, select the video you want to add the photo over video. And then once the video has been imported, tap on the overlay option from the bottom toolbar. Now, tap on the Add Overlay option and this will open your camera roll where you can go ahead and select the photo which you want to add. And you can repeat this step and add 2, 3, or even more photos to your video, as many as you need. The default length of this will be 3 seconds, so you can drag the beginning or the end of it to make it last longer if you need to. Also, to add a little fade in and fade out animation, you can go ahead and do it because you do not want the photo to appear without transition or some sort because that won't look as professional. But this is how you can add photo over video in CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.